yeah, behind.
Little fish or?
I might have to go get my gear.
Yeah.
Alright.
I see in the food. Here it comes, there's someone coming in behind it. Big one, eh? Yeah. The big one was chasing it.
Yeah. Because the sardines was in the mouth, yeah.
There he is, the bigger one out the back.
Yeah.
That's a bigger one.
Bro, ¿qué clase de teléfono tienes? Te digo que me voy a bajar la Windows. Oh, yeah? Mira, compadre.
Lots of spit.
Oh, he's going to throw it back in.